combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard. And it's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression I was somewhere.
Climb it? Yeah, let's go. I'll climb. Okay.
There were things I should not have done. Then again, well, I sure had fun. Being free, being wild, being bulletproof. Back then we were rebels without a clue. Nothing in the world that we wouldn't do. Whoa. Running his knife across a wet stone. Baby.
What did you say? What are you doing, queer? Is this another video? No. It is. It's not. Why do you keep holding it in my face? Stop. I'll show you my camera. Oh my god. Hey Jessica. Hey Sarah. Hanukkah. 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 Pet the big kitty. Pet the big kitty on the rock. Oh my god. Pet it. Woo! The big kitty. I forgot about that.
Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight.
Like, if you just, like, go down now and I'll get another. Yeah. If there's, like, a padding. Yeah, or if it was just, like, a smooth rock. Yeah. See the thorn? I know. Right there. The thorn! Nature in your foot. Nature in your foot. Just Christina has nature in her foot. You have it in your cleavage. I have it in my hair. Where does Sarah have it? She has it on her back. Well.
We are one with nature.
We are one with nature. We're leaving the waterfall. What do you say?
Bye.
Fun, fun?
Fun, fun.
Fun, fun.